now just driving through the neighborhood. Thing feels so good. Oh, yeah, the on-ramp. All right, let's get it. Yeah, this thing is quick. This thing is quick, dude. This thing is so fun. So fun. Let's drop it down a second. Put it in sport right quick, see what it has. Let's get it. What are we doing? What are we doing? Man, this thing is so fun. This thing is so fun. Like a slingshot, and it sounds so good. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, this thing sounds so good. This thing sounds awesome. Is that a forged carbon? I think it's sick. So when you're actually driving one of these, right, it's insane the way, like I keep on saying the power delivery. The power delivery is so instantaneous, and the gear shifts are so smooth in this thing that it doesn't even feel like a car from that era. This is a late 2000s car, 2007, like I've said multiple times in this video, and it doesn't even feel like it. I haven't driven a brand new Audi, but I could imagine, like, if it was like this in 2007, imagine what it is in 2024. Like, just like, I can't even imagine the way the power delivery might be on those cars, how they may squat in the back when you're doing a pull, stuff like that. Like this car just amazes me in so many different ways. Like, it really does. Like, I still can't believe I actually bought this thing. Like, I love it. I love everything about it. Ever since the first time I drove this thing, I knew, I was like, all right, I gotta drive this a lot. I gotta make sure it's well maintained, and I have to make sure this thing stays in the best condition it can until I end up getting rid of it, or if I don't get rid of it, I want it to be maintained forever. I want it to be good forever. The V10 that's in it right now, perfect. Look at that forged carbon motherfucking Ranger right there. This guy wrapped his Ranger forged carbon fiber. I like that guy's style. I usually don't like stuff like that, but I get with that. You know, there's so many different options when picking a car from this time period. You have the E60 M5, the E61 M6. You have the what is it? The M3 from this time period, the E90 M3. You have a whole bunch of different American options. They're like cars from 07. Well, those all of the 2000s. There were so many different cars that all these different manufacturers were making that were just out of this world. You had the 6.1 Hemis. You had a Ram truck with a V10 in it, a Viper V10, an 8.3 liter V10. Like imagine what the manufacturers in the 2000s were smoking. They must have been smoking something good, some good shit, because all these manufacturers had insane shit. The only V8 M3 was made in the 2000s. Think about that. Then you have a V10 Audi that for some reason is the same engine basically that they put in R8s and Lamborghinis. The Lamborghini Gallardo had the same V10. Of course, they tweaked a little bit of things so it could make a more power, rev a little bit higher, stuff like that. I think it revs about 1,000 to 1,500 RPM higher than these engines, but it's damn near the same engine. Just think about that. The insanity that these manufacturers are on back in the day was insane. That wasn't even that long ago. Now look at us pushing EVs and doing all this extra stuff for what? Eventually, internal combustion is going to win at the end of the day. And if internal combustion is going to keep on happening, I would love to see another V10 Audi sedan. Who cares about the coupes? Let's do V10 sedans. I absolutely love this car though. I've only had it for a week. And I'm already saying this is one of the best purchases I ever made. Hands down, this is one of the best purchases I ever made. Oh, there's a lot of traffic right here. Come on, man. Come on, man. Jesus Christ, what is this? You know, if I honk, I'll feel like an asshole. Motherfucker, is that a crosswalk? Oh man. Jesus Christ, I'm over here getting honked at now. Let's see what this on-ramp is all about. Come on. Oh my God, too much traffic.